Welcome to the staking machine. In this video, we will briefly look at the retirement staking plan that is available in TSM. The screenshots in this video show TSM V8 desktop, however, this staking plan is also available in the TSM app. The retirement staking plan is a popular and effective medium recovery staking plan. If used correctly, it will keep your stakes well under control. The retirement staking plan requires you to know the average winning odds of your selection system. This is because we use average winning odds to set our series target and divisor. Note, the average winning odds we use in TSM are the average winning decimal odds -1. This is the set of rules that TSM uses. We will refer back to these as we go through a working example. The settings used in TSM are a start bank of £100, percentage to bet of 2% and average winning odds of 3. Commission is switched off in TSM to keep things simple. Bet 1. The target at the start of any series is always stake multiplied by the divisor, where the stake is the initial percent to bet. In our case, 2% of 100 is equal to 2. Our average odds are set at 3, so therefore the divisor is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. This confirms our initial target as 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. This bet loses. Bet 2. Our target is now the initial target of 12 plus our series loss of 2. Our new target is therefore 14. The stake for the second bet is 14 divided by the divisor of 6, which is 2.33. This bet loses as well. Bet 3. The target for the third bet is again the initial 12 plus our series loss, which is now 2 plus 2.33. New target is now 16.33. Therefore the stake for the third bet is 16.33 divided by the divisor of 6 is equal to 2.72. The third bet won with a profit of 2.72. Bet 4. This means our new target is 16.33 minus 2.72 is equal to 13.61. Our stake is 13.61 divided by 6, which equals 2.27. Bet 4 loses. Bet 5. Our new target is now 13.61 plus 2.27, which equals 15.88. Our stake is 15.88 divided by 6 is equal to 2.65. Bet 5 loses. Bet 6. New target is 15.88 plus 2.65 is equal to 18.53. New stake is 18.53 divided 6 is equal to 3.09. Bet 6 loses. New target is 18.53 plus 3.09 is equal to 21.62. This is now bet 7, and we haven't had a series reset. Remember, one of the rules regarding the divisor is that if the amount of bets without a reset is greater than the divisor, then the divisor will increase by 1. Therefore, in our example, the divisor needs to increase by 1 and is now 7 instead of 6. This prevents our stakes from rapidly increasing in losing runs. New stake is 21.62 divided by 7 is equal to 3.09. This bet finally wins at odds of 6. This gives us a profit of 15.45. New target would be 21.62 minus 15.45 is equal to 6.17. However, as this target is less than the initial series target of 12, the series starts again. Remember the rule, the bet sequence is reset when a winning bet is made that causes the target to be less than the original target. Bet 8. New target of stake multiplied by divisor equals 12 again. Bet 8 loses. Our series loss is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Bet 9. Bet 9 stake is 14 divided by 6 is equal to 2.33. Again this bet loses. Bet 10. Bet 10 target is 14 plus 2.33 is equal to 16.33. Stake is 16.33 divided by 6 is equal to 2.72. This bet wins at odds of 4, which gives a profit of 8.16. A new target would therefore be 16.33 minus 8.16 is equal to 8.17. Remember the rule: the bet sequence is reset when a winning bet is made that causes the target to be less than the original target. Therefore we have hit target again for our series, and the series is reset again. That is the retirement staking plan in its most simple form. During a betting series which is going through a patch with a low strike rate, the divisor can increase considerably. There are a couple of options as to how we deal with divisor after a winning bet in these circumstances. Clearly the target will not have been hit, however the divisor should decrease to reflect the winning bet. At default, TSM will check the last 200 bets and see what the divisor was when the target was last at its current level. An alternative version is take the integer part of the winning bet and subtract it from the current divisor. Retirement staking plan is a recovery staking plan, albeit not as aggressive as others. If you are thinking of using the retirement staking plan for your betting, then it might be in your interest to import your historical data into TSM. Or you could simply use the random bet generator and recreate your selection system instead. Play around with different start banks and settings. Run the data through the Monte Carlo simulations and look at the chance of bankruptcy. Once you have your chosen settings, you can use TSM as a bet tracker. Record all your bets and let TSM calculate all your stakes as per your settings. Thank you for watching.